Hey there tech enthusiast, welcome back to DatafuseAnalytics. Today we are diving into the incredible world of Alibaba, which is China's massive tech that's redefining the game with artificial intelligence or AI. Alibaba is not just an e-commerce giant but a tech giant running the largest online shopping network globally. Today we will be uncovering 5 mind-blowing ways Alibaba leverages AI to shape the future. But before we go ahead, do you know that Alibaba sells more worldwide than Amazon and eBay both combined? Now that's a tech powerhouse. China's government strongly supports businesses in adopting AI, aiming for $1 trillion industry and global AI leadership by 2030. With a massive population providing an ocean of customer data, China is a fertile ground for AI development and Alibaba is at the forefront of this revolution. Now let's kick things off with Alibaba's AI prowess in the world of e-commerce. Now imagine a virtual shopping experience tailored just for you. Alibaba's AI customizes page views for each visitor, showcasing items perfectly aligned with their interests and budgets. Real-time adjustment based on customer actions make that purchase more tempting than ever. Now first up, Alibaba's game-changing move in online selling is automated sales copy. Alibaba has made online selling easier by investing in automated content generation. Now imagine an AI copywriter generating mind-blowing 20,000 sentences per second. Alibaba invests in deep learning NLP-based solutions to make the entire process seamless. Now no more spending hours on research. With just a click of a button, Alibaba's AI copywriter crafts multiple versions of ads or advertisements, identifying the most effective word combination to extract those customer clicks. Now let's talk about Alibaba's colossal presence in cloud services. Now just like Amazon and Google, Alibaba provides cutting-edge AI services through its cloud platform. Now this machine learning platform for AI opens door for businesses to access cognitive computing functions without the hefty upfront cost or infrastructural costs. Now I would like to tell you all a fun fact. The fun fact here is that Alibaba's NLP model outperforms Stanford University tests designed to assess if a machine can surpass human reading comprehension. In 2018, its deep neural network language processing achieved a score of 82.44 in 1 lakh question test, narrowly beating human score of 82.3. Alibaba isn't just transforming your online experience, they are making entire cities smarter. Alibaba City Brain, operational in Hangzhou and soon will be operational in Kuala Lumpur, utilizes cloud-based AI tools to manage traffic, lighting and waste collection. Traffic jams are reduced by 15% and all thanks to Alibaba City Brain, predicting congestion and adjusting traffic light patterns accordingly. The future of cities is now here, guys. Now let's talk about agriculture, which is Alibaba's AI-powered system for smart farming. We all know that China is the biggest consumer and supplier of pork. Chinese pig farmers use AI to track herd activity and their health, automating decisions like adjusting feed or provide more exercising to pigs. Beyond pork, the system helps farmers improve breeding rates, ensuring healthier herds and fewer newborn deaths. It's not just about farming, it's about feeding a growing population. Alibaba's commitment to advancing AI reaches new heights with Academy for Discovery, Adventure, Momentum and Outlook. The short form of this is DAMO. Alibaba is not just investing in research and development, but they are sharing advanced machine learning and deep learning solutions on a global scale. With 18 data centers and $15 billion investment, Alibaba is shaping the future. Now these labs spread across locations like Beijing, Hangzhou, San Mateo, Belleau, Moscow, Tel Aviv and Singapore focus on machine learning, NLP, IoT, human-machine interaction and even quantum computing. Now wrapping this all up, what we have learned today? We learned that Alibaba is China's research and development powerhouse. It is not just an e-commerce giant, but it is an entire powerhouse. Their AI journey involves cloud services, smart cities, smart farming, and commitment to global AI leadership. Now they are not just changing businesses, they are transforming the entire societies on a global scale. If you have found this tech exploration exciting, hit that like button now. Subscribe DatafuseAnalytics for more tech adventures and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring with DatafuseAnalytics. Bye bye guys and take care.